So I'm here to find out who in Among Us cannot paint. So this challenge is to challenge you to draw the character from Among Us, and I'm gonna find out who's the imposter and cannot paint challenge. So go ahead and try this out too, and when you do paint it, make sure to hashtag Among Us challenge and tag me in it too as well. Let's get started. Among Us challenge. If you were an artist, I'm trying to find out who's an imposter and can't paint this challenge. If you want to try this challenge, make sure to tag me in TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook and let me know you're not an imposter. And if you're not an imposter and you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.